morning, everyone. It is Monday morning, and I'm heading off to work. Not much going on today. Work, and then the girls are going for Halloween costumes. So I'll keep you up to date, and I'll show you what goes on. So everyone have a good day.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. That's it. Fly away. Fly away. It's okay. It's okay. Here you go. It's okay. It's okay.
That was pretty cool. Came right over to me. Came up on my hand. Well, went onto my hand, and I got him to fly away. Hopefully he's okay. Hello, everyone. It is 4 o'clock on Monday. I am out of here heading home. Sorry I didn't do the video for yesterday until today. Patriots game, it was over at midnight, and by the time I wasn't putting it up, so as of right now the video's rendered. I just need to upload it to YouTube, so I'll upload it, and you'll probably get both this video and the last video at the same time. So I'm heading home. Hopefully traffic's a little better this afternoon. Girls are going out for Halloween costumes tonight, so there may be something special for Disney prices, so I'm going to take a look at that. Hopefully there's something, because right now it's ridiculous. Lee and I aren't going to be able to afford to go. Okay, so I'm going to head home. I will update you on the Disney stuff in a few minutes. Alright. Now I can have fun with this. Really, Ash? Yep. Ashley's wearing... This costume was bought in, I would say, probably about 1998, 1999, somewhere in there. Lee and I weren't even married yet. This is how tall this freaking girl is. She fits into one of my costumes. This was my costume that I'd thrown away about 10 years ago.
Do I need to do your face white with the black spots? The black nose and the black spots?
I don't know.
Yeah! It's up to you.
So what are you doing, Jess?
If I do it white with the black nose.
I
if
wanted
do
to
a
go
black
as
nose,
actually
was
as a
gonna
cat.
go as a cat before we even thought of
If
this.
I do the black
Yeah.
nose, and I do the white around
Honey.
the face, and put a black spot and a black spot and a black spot.
Her as a cat.
She wants to be a candy cat.
Her as a dog. Cats and dogs, is that not perfect for the two of them? You want to find out how old this is? Ash? Go on the internet and see when the movie The 102 Dalmatians came out.
Why it says 102?
102 Dalmatians on the collar.
I don't know.
Hey, Ron, that's going to be it for tonight. Had a somewhat busy day today. A lot to do in work. Had that baby bird. It was pretty cool. Traffic wasn't bad today, and the girls got their Halloween costumes. So we're going to call it a night. You can follow me on Facebook. You can subscribe to my Twitter feed. Go to markplant.com, which is my website. Or you can subscribe below. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below, and I'll answer them. Everyone have a good night, and I'll see you all tomorrow.